So they've already got him in custody, I guess. We got a couple sheriffs. They've had the AC on all day. We got Midwest Accountability.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, pretty good.
That's a K9. These guys are
Please stay back from those cars, please.
back from these ones?
Yes.
Right here? Is that too close? What's the distance?
You're good right there, sir. Thank you.
I'm good right here? Okay.
Unlawful directives again?
Yeah. Okay, stay away from the K9 units. Oh, these ones with the CDACs open? The cabs open? We got NorCal Cop Watch as always. How come you guys have this whole gas station shut down? I mean, they got one in custody, right? We should let this guys have some business. These businesses are suffering enough in this town. Don't you agree? Don't you agree? Maybe we could let these guys get their business back to go. We don't have to park like this. No. Not gonna say anything. They usually don't when they know they're wrong. They just get all quiet and look stupid. And they're looking stupid. I mean, look at this. They have this entire business shut down. And, you know, you got to get the bad guys. I mean, you know, whoever allegedly this is a stolen car. So they got to do something about that. But, I mean, they've got the person in custody waiting on a tow truck. And look at this. All 4 lanes blocked. So no one can come in here and spend any money at this business.
You guys, are we getting her checked out by medical?
Her? Hey.
Yeah. Wasn't there a female passenger that slammed on her head or something?
Slammed on her head?
No?
No.
Okay.
That's what a witness said. Yeah, how about if we get some of these cars moved so we can open this business back up?
Yeah, we'll get some of these units out of here.
There we go. Back to work.
Giddy up, giddy up.
Oh, he's got to come backwards.
Come on back, giddy up.
Back to work. You're dismissed. Dismissed you. Yeah, get up. Yeah. Get on out of here. There we go. Now this business can be open again. Why do cops do that, man? They don't see that they hurt, you know, the community they're to uphold. They're hurting the businesses, especially in this town. They need all the help they can get in this town. This Stockton, in case you know, this town's falling apart.
We're gonna let her out now? What the hell's going on over there?
Well, there. You go closer. Oh, they're not letting her out.
We're still trying to figure it out. We got the owner. Yeah,
Oh, I think so. She took the rap, I think. And took all the heat off of him.
Huh?
I think she took the rap and took all the heat off of him. Snitched on herself. Telling on yourself, still telling.
Well, she might have been the driver, right?
I don't know. From the eyewitness, she was a
So he's getting his huffy. That was cutting up on. Yeah, so she must have snitched on herself and told them let him go.
Yeah, it's my opinion that you never talk to the cops.
No.
Never, ever, ever talk to the cops.
Especially if you're innocent.
Always remain silent.
People say, but I'm innocent. It's especially when you're innocent.
Hold on just a second, guys.
Let's give it Anthony X here.
Hey, did you say it's state law they're not allowed to spit?
6 foot. 6 foot.
State law?
State law.
Okay. Well,
California
he's been
state law.
spitting the whole time. Right by this guy, yeah. Right there.
Where's the guy? He got something in his lip. Oh, he's chewing. That's his problem. He's got tobacco products on in our car.
Can I get everybody's name and badge number? Real quick.
We're done with our investigation.
You're not investigating nothing. You're just talking. Can I get your name and badge number?
You look very busy.
You gotta dip in. Are you chewing tobacco products? In uniform?
That's what you do. Hey, next time.
Which one?
Define.
Who?
Who's it? Dodge?
Dodge, yeah.
Cam Dodge?
Yeah. I would say Melvin. Melvin Dodge. Marvin Dodge. Marcus Dodge. Milo Dodge. Max Dodge. Mac. Michael. It's Michael. That dude's a Michael.
Right. But you allowed her to have it for 3 days, right? Could you send her the DMV paperwork on the via text message? What's that? I said because she showed text messages of your guys' conversation.
So it looks like this wasn't a stolen vehicle. That it was a lover's quarrel or friend's quarrel or misunderstanding. She's borrowed the car and didn't take it back is what it sounds like. Behind you, don't panic. So did you hear all this? It's not a stolen vehicle.
It's not?
No, it sounds like she borrowed it and there was like misunderstanding on when to take it back. So she knows whoever that is.
So they gotta let her go.
And it sounds like they phoned it in as stolen or whatever, reported it. But she's got like some kind of proof or something. I don't know.
Well, yesterday
Yeah, she's coming out of that car, I think.
She is.
I think so.
Today's now the 25th, but yesterday.
He's got a certain absolute disdain for us right now. He don't even
Who,
know.
Taylor?
Yeah.
You got your ID on you, Taylor?
I already answered that.
You didn't answer it to me, punk. I'm the one asking. We're all separate here. You want to be a dick? I'll be a dick too. Now, you have your ID on you per your department policy? No? then I'm gonna need name badge number because that's a violation. Name badge number? Taylor? R. Taylor? Name and badge number, R. Taylor? He's gonna fucking ignore me? Name and badge number, dickhead. You, Taylor. You, Taylor. Name and badge number, Taylor. Requesting name and badge number from Taylor. You. Is that much trouble to spit it? To say it? Since you don't have your ID on you, Taylor. Now I need it in writing. So I'm Taylor's new buddy. I'll be right here behind you, Taylor. Whenever you're ready. You can just say it. Just speak it out loud. We'll make it easy for you. Since you don't have it. So Taylor's a prick, little bitch. Doesn't carry his ID card. And Dodge likes to chew tobacco while he's in uniform. Also a violation. Neither one of them want to identify. So we got to go down and file complaints now. Oh well. We were going to be down there anyway. Yeah, they don't. I mean, look how many policies they're breaking just right here. They don't give a fuck. Because they're oath breakers. Not following their oath, huh? Right here behind you. Oath breaker.
First name Richard?
You sure it's not Richard? You look like a dick to me.
How can you want to identify?
I put my name. I gotta
Where
go
you from?
change it. I live here right down the street.
Stockton?
Yeah.
What's your channel now?
Tow truck driver.
Your channel.
She just put her name right now, but she's gonna change it.
I'll change it.
What is
So
it?
once
Come on.
you figure out a name, then you can come to any of our channels, put your name in there, just
Yeah.
comment, hey, I met you in Stockton at the station.
Your best
And-
bet
and
is
we'll help you out.
transparency or
It's Hollywood Audits.
Oh, Stockton Cop Watch.
There you
I
go.
think they already got one.
Do they?
There
I
he is.
think
It's a
there's-
Stockton Watch Commander.
Yeah.
Oh no, fuck that. Stockton Cop Watch.
Just make sure you do your
Or
research.
Stockton
Learn all the
Accountability.
laws.
Yeah.
So you don't get arrested.
Right?
You ready to roll?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, you running out of time, bro.
Yeah, we almost won.
Good night, you guys.
All
Good
we'll
night.
see you later. I gotta charge my GoPro. My shit's about to die.